it said continued property tax revenue decline of about 1.2% annually. I mean, are we seeing that now? I guess that's, and that,
Yeah.
because, and I realize like what the city receives about 5.5 cents on the dollar in terms of actual property tax. It's not much revenue that we get, but it's still revenue.
Sure. So there's a couple reasons for the trend, that at least why we believe the trend is going to continue forward. Okay. So the first assumption, which is that all of the development that we have seen in recent years, the vast majority of all the development that we have seen in the majority of years, is occurring within the tax increment finance districts. So that revenue is going into those funds to support whatever expenses are assigned to those funds. So while there may be overall positive growth within the city of Huber Heights, the benefit of that growth is going into the tax increment finance districts, which is why when we see receipted income and property tax, that income is coming from all of the areas outside of the tax increment finance districts. Okay. So we're seeing positive growth in our property tax, we're seeing positive growth in investment in property in Huber, but we're seeing it in areas that are specifically capturing that growth for a specific purpose. So in theory, 25 years from now, we're going to see a big, huge dump into the tax roll when all of the property and all of the development that is in the TIF dissolves, and all of that revenue will then show up on the conventional tax roll when the TIF expires. So that's number one.